Hi friends, welcome to Vijay Tech 360. In this video we are going to see about the types of cloud services, and now we are going to discuss about the infrastructure as a service. In infrastructure as a service, you are going to rent an IT resource such as a servers or a VM or a storage or networking or an operating system that required for your application. You are going to purchase them from a cloud service provider, and this is like a pay as you go model. Like how much ever resource you need, you are going to purchase them and you are going to use them. And you can typically manage your resource over an internet, like how you are going to log into AWS and purchasing your VMs, or you can purchase your storage using an internet connection. So that is how the infrastructure as a service. And let's see the characteristics of the infrastructure as a service. The cost of in terms of upfront or a advance payment in infrastructure as a service, you need not to pay any advance payment. And the ownership is like a shared model where user is responsible for the purchasing, installation, configuration and management of their own software operating system. Only what you will get in infrastructure as a service from the cloud service provider is like you will get a web server, and you will get a security for that web server that I am going to show you in a diagrammatic picture. And common usage scenarios for this infrastructure as a service is deploying and testing your new application that you are going to host, and website hosting, which is less expensive than a traditional web hosting. Like if you want to go to launch your website in a traditional manner, you need to purchase a lot of physical hardware required. But when it comes to the cloud computing, you are going to rent from the cloud service provider and you are going to use it. And whenever you have some migrating workloads, you can able to use the infrastructure as a service. And when it comes to storage or backup and recovery, so if you want to physically buy this sort of IT infrastructure, it is very difficult for you to manage. So that's why you can rent all those by using a cloud service provider. So this is the picture representation of infrastructure as a service, where what you will get from the cloud service provider are highlighted in the orange, and rest of them are you are the responsible for that. So what you will get from the cloud service provider is they will provide you networking, storage, servers, virtualization. So this is what they are responsible for, and they are not responsible for your operating system or middleware or what type of runtime applications you want, or where you are storing your data, or what is your applications. So what application designing. So these are not responsible of cloud service provider. These are responsible by you. So only the physical infrastructure what they required is they are providing. So I hope it helps you about the infrastructure as a service. Next we will see about the platform as a service.